Hi guys, this is me Julie and this is
Linh.
and this is
Ian.
Okay, so right now we are here at my yard and do you know what we are going to do right now? We're gonna go to the local market on foot to go shopping for the grocery to make the food today. That is called spring roll. So let's follow us to the local market. Hey, we reached finally, and this is how local market in Vietnam looks like. As you can see from both sides of the roads, there are so many sellers, both men and women. So it means that in Vietnam we have so many small and medium-sized business. So now let's go and buy things with me.
Why do we like to do shopping from the local market? Well, it is because it's near my house. Local markets are not hard to be found in any area in Vietnam. Plus, we do shopping on a daily basis because we love to eat fresh food and vegetables. Moreover, many of the stuff we buy at the local market are homemade or homegrown. It is healthier to consume though. See how skillful she is when she is peeling the pineapple. Do you peel it this way in your country? Next, we're gonna go buy the noodles. We have so many different kinds of noodles. Flat rice noodles, glass noodles, egg noodles. But to make spring rolls, we need to buy round rice noodles. This is the round rice noodle I said just now.
Xin chào nha, hẹn gặp lại nha, lần sau chào cô nhé.
Vâng ạ. 20 chị lấy anh nhiêu? Chị lấy 18. Ok, thế thì cho em cái đũa này nha.
Đây mời 2 con hàng 40.000 này.
Vâng, em không cần túi bóng. We are back and finally we got all the stuff needed to make spring roll. You can take a look. So yeah, it's quite a lot. It's not just for spring roll, but it's also for the other dishes. So now we are done shopping. So we're gonna go to another place to start cooking. Let's follow us. Hi guys, right now I am standing in front of Vinmart, one of the biggest and the most quality supermarket in Vietnam. So now I'm gonna go inside and buy some other stuff for spring roll. Let's follow me.
is special about spring rolls is the dipping sauce. All the garlic, lemon, chili, and what are used to make an amazing dipping sauce for spring rolls.
Hi guys! So finally we're done cooking spring roll and now we are very ready to eat. But there's one thing about Vietnamese culture, that is before we eat any meal we would invite the other before we eat. So let's imagine sitting next to me is my grandma, my mother and my father. I would say something like this: con mời bà ăn cơm, con mời mẹ ăn cơm, con mời bố ăn cơm. Yes, so after that you can totally enjoy the meal. So if you enjoy any meals with Vietnamese, please do something just exactly like what I have just done. So now we will enjoy what we've done today. I'm so hungry. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to dip this spring roll into the fish sauce that I already made before. Let's try it. It tastes good. Really yummy. Guys, so we have just finished clean up and everything. So after eating, we're gonna go for dessert. So what do Vietnamese people eat for dessert? So today I have yogurt and watermelon. So I hope that after this cooking session, you somehow know how to make Vietnamese spring roll and also know more about Vietnamese eating culture. So now we're gonna get out to business eating these things. See you soon and thank you for watching.